Looks like it has a cold.
Yeah, maybe.
Can I touch it?
Sure. Just think of it as kind of a big cow.
Come on up here, girl. God bless you. Oh, great. Now she never try anything new. Just sit in her room and never come out and play on her computer. I'm a hacker. That's what I said. You're a nerd. I'm not a computer nerd. I prefer to be called a hacker.
You know what this is? It's a dinosaur egg. The dinosaurs are breeding.
But Grandpa said all dinosaurs were girls.
Amphibian DNA.
What's that?
Wow. On the tour, Film said they used frog DNA